Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Equifax, which is, can I dispute an error on my Equifax credit report online? The straight answer is yes, you absolutely can dispute errors on your Equifax credit report online. Filing a dispute online is generally the fastest and most convenient method. To start, you need to visit the official Equifax website and log into or create a free My Equifax account. Once logged in, you should be able to navigate to their dispute center or a dedicated section for filing a credit report dispute. You'll need to clearly identify the specific error on your report that you are disputing. Be ready to explain why you believe the information is inaccurate or incomplete. This could be anything from an incorrect personal detail, like an address, to a mistake in an account's payment history or balance. Gathering supporting documentation beforehand is crucial. While you can often file the initial dispute without it, having documents like account statements, payment confirmations, or a copy of your ID ready to upload will help verify your claim and speed up the investigation process. Equifax will investigate the disputed information, often by contacting the company that originally reported it. They will notify you of the investigation results, typically within 30 days. If the information is found to be inaccurate, Equifax will update your report. Disputing online is a straightforward process designed to help you correct inaccuracies and maintain an accurate credit history. Remember that each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, must be contacted separately if the error appears on more than one report. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.